A brief history of Dunbrody Abbey. Dunbrody Abbey, located in County Wexford, Ireland, is a significant historical and architectural site that offers a glimpse into the rich medieval past of the region. Founded in 1170 by Hervey de Montmorency, a companion of Strongbow, the abbey was established as a Cistercian monastery. Montmorency granted the land to the Cistercian order, a move approved by the then King of England, Henry II, as part of his efforts to consolidate Norman control over Ireland. The Cistercians, known for their austere and disciplined way of life, set about constructing a grand abbey. By the early 13th century, the abbey was completed, featuring a cruciform church, cloisters, a chapter house, and living quarters. The architectural style is predominantly early English Gothic, characterized by pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and extensive use of stone. Dunbrody Abbey thrived as a religious and agricultural centre for several centuries. The monks engaged in farming, animal husbandry, and brewing, contributing significantly to the local economy. The abbey's lands were vast, and it became one of the wealthiest monastic establishments in the region. However, the dissolution of the monasteries in the 16th century under Henry VIII brought an end to its religious function. In 1542, the abbey was surrendered to the English crown and its lands were redistributed. Following the dissolution, Dunbrody Abbey fell into disrepair. Portions of the structure were repurposed for other uses, and over time the once grand buildings became ruins. Despite this, significant parts of the abbey, including the church's walls, the transept, and the nave, have survived. These ruins provide valuable insights into the architectural and monastic practices of the Cistercian order. In the 20th century, efforts were made to preserve and restore the site. Today, Dunbrody Abbey is a popular tourist attraction, offering guided tours that explore its historical significance and architectural beauty. Visitors can also enjoy the surrounding gardens and a hedge maze, which add to the site's appeal. The abbey's historical narrative is further enriched by its connections to various legends and local folklore. For instance, it is said that Hervey de Montmorency himself became a monk at the abbey later in life, reflecting the deep spiritual connection that its founders and benefactors felt towards the institution. In summary, Dunbrody Abbey stands as a testament to the medieval monastic life in Ireland, showcasing the Cistercian order's architectural prowess and agricultural ingenuity. Its transition from a thriving monastery to a historical ruin encapsulates the broader narrative of religious and socio-political changes in Ireland over the centuries. Today, it remains a poignant symbol of the country's rich cultural heritage and a fascinating site for visitors interested in medieval history and architecture. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for visiting my channel.